Hello everyone. My name is Akashdeep and I study in grade 7. I've done a Python crash course mini project. It enables young artists to draw. It improves their sketching skills too. So this is the project and I'll be playing it in a minute. Okay. So 3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome to my art page. What do you want to draw today? To answer, please click the button of the subject which you want to draw and we will create the images for you. Please follow the pencil sketch and begin drawing. I hope you will like it. To quit the app, please click on the close button on the top of the window. Here you go.
So that was the intro which had just finished and this is the GUI page. So it is saying this is the art page, and they are asking us, what do you want to draw today? So if you're in the mood to draw a tiger, you click the tiger button. It will show you the original image, the shaded image, and the pencil sketch. Then you click the suppose dragon, original image, gray image, and pencil sketch. So the users can draw from this and trace it and draw it in their copy. Monkey, the same thing for all of them. So then, suppose you're done for the day, you're tired, and you want to have some rest. You click this button here, and it'll come to the outro page, which you'll just see right now.
Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed drawing. Could you give us some feedback?
Nice.
Thank you.
This is the outro. So basically, this is my project. I hope you liked it. So thank you.